Today, we will learn the most commonly used sentences for greetings and introductions.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's it going?
It's going well, thank you.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here.
Are we friends?
Yes, we are friends.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite color?
I love pizza.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like tea.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy reading books.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Have you been to London?
No, but I'd love to go someday.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to the park.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you work or study?
I'm a student.
What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you watch TV often?
Not really, I prefer reading.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every day.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch them every weekend.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak English.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you prefer books or ebooks?
I prefer books.
Do you like working in groups?
Yes, teamwork is fun.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go twice a week.
How do you spend your evenings?
I watch TV or read a book.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a doctor.
Do you like to try new things?
Yes, I enjoy new experiences.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, it's interesting and useful.